How can tutors help students improve critical thinking skills? I think this is a very, very important question because when I talk with tutors, I talk about the importance of not just giving students answers to questions or showing students how to work problems, but actually helping students gain those skills that are going to allow the students to master the material just as the tutors have mastered the material. And that involves being able to analyze information, being able to look at different aspects of a problem or a question. And that's what critical thinking, I think, is all about. In fact, there was one institution where they asked the students to come up with an acronym or a short way of describing critical thinking. And they came up with question every possibility. And so I think that tutors can help students do this. First of all, by teaching the students about Bloom's taxonomy, because when students understand that there's a difference between memorizing information and understanding it, being able to apply it, and then analyzing and then evaluating whether one idea is more likely to be correct than another, one way of solving a problem is a better way than another, then and also being able to come up with their own ways of doing things. That's, I think, where the critical thinking aspect really comes in. And so tutors can help students understand the differences in the ways of looking at it. And they can also give students the confidence that the students will be able to critically analyze information and come up with their own ways of doing things. And many times when students go to a tutoring session, what they expect to get is information kind of fed to them by the tutor. But when the tutor helps them be able to come up with their own answers to questions, then that's much more effective and important and much more important skill for students to have.